Guys, we're gonna do some brats on the new Louisiana Grills Black Label Pellet Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all we're doing here. All right, guys, so what are we doing here today? Guys, we are going outside. We're getting away from the Ninja Foodie Grill Station, and we're gonna go out to a regular grill. My new Louisiana Grills Black Label Grill. Now, I know you guys are like, hey, you got a barbecue channel. That's right, I do. Check out that link right there to get to it. But we're doing a little grilling and a little bit of kind of braising too. So, you know, we're gonna use the grill for that. Take it outside, enjoy a beautiful day here in Southern California. Maybe dip into the pool while we're doing it. You know how we do. Grab a beer or two. All right, so the way we're gonna work this out is we got some beautiful Johnsonville brats, and we got tons of bell peppers and onions and a couple jalapenos. And get those in, and we're braising it with some Angry Orchard apple cider, because you know apples and pork go well together. So I figured these brats with a little bit of apple cider beer, what can I say? Lots of butter too, a couple sticks of butter in there. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna braise it for a good 45 minutes or so, about 350 in the pit, get a little bit of that smoke flavor in there too, and then we're gonna just sear them off when they're done. All right, so really simple, easy dish to do, and you're gonna love it, I promise. All right, so far, you know, we've already got the mise en place done. We are ready to set this up. We chopped up all bell peppers. We got a green, we got yellow, we got a red bell pepper in there, got a whole onion. I'm using a sweet onion, and a couple jalapenos, like I said, just rough chopping it all through. It's just gonna be part of the braising process. All the flavor is gonna be in there. So it doesn't have to be a fine julienne or a fine dice or blah, blah, blah. You just chop the crap up, throw it in there, and you're good to go, all right? All right, so come on over to my prep station over here. We'll get these brats covered up with all the goodness that we're gonna add to these brats, and then we'll get them out on the pit. All right, come on back. All right, that's the first thing we're gonna do is get our veggies in there. And we're gonna rest the brats on top of them, get them mixed up. Brats go in. Get a couple of our Angry Orchards. Now this is all gonna cook down, so I know it's kind of high up right now, but don't worry, these things we'll mix them around in there, and good to go. Okay. Once it gets cooking, we'll mix it around. It'll be good. All right, we do a couple nubs all over the place here of some butter. These are not the healthy brats, okay? All right, last thing, guys, I forgot. We're gonna put a little Uncle Steve shake, sweet and spicier in there. Put a link to Uncle Steve's website down below. Get you some. This stuff's really good, okay? Uncle Steve shake, sweet and spicier. Get some right now. It's so good. Okay, we got our pit to 350. Let's get this bad boy in here. I'm gonna set it over here. Let the smoke hit it. So turn it this way. There we go. I'm gonna let it come together a little bit. Then we'll mix it up in there. We're good to go. All right, y'all, we're about half hour in. Let's give these little mixy mix in there. Got some good flavor on the top. Now it's time to get them incorporated in there. Get a little bit more smoke on the other side. We're gonna cook these to about 140, 145 internal, and then we'll sear them off in there. See all that good liquid going. A little apple butter beer. All right, let's check on our brats. Let's do a little temp check on these. Just kind of see where we're at. Oh, wow, they're cooking. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up that bad boy right there. start grilling these off. Oh, get ready for the sizzle. Here's the sizzle. All right, the brats are on the grill. Just gonna let this chill right there. Once they're done getting that grill on there, that char, I'm gonna throw them back into the goodness that is this peppered butter, apple juice, beer stuff. And that's a culinary term. As we're done, let's try this bad boy. Take a big old bite. Oh man, so good. Couple peppers and onions falling out as you eat it, but that's okay. Whew. All right, guys, this is something you got to try. Use that apple cider beer in there. It is fabulous. You know, apples and pork go together like stuff that goes together, so make sure you give it a try. Listen, if you guys want anything in these videos, links are down below. Even that Louisiana Grills Black Label Pellet Grill. I'm an affiliate for Louisiana Grills, so click on that. It doesn't cost you anything more, but helps out the channel. I get a small commission. So if you're looking for a new pellet grill, that's one you should give a try, definitely. All right, same with the cutting board, the knives, all that good stuff. Everything's down below, all affiliate links, all good. If you want to become a show producer, click this link right here, take you to Patreon. Get your name at the end of the videos. Be immortalized with Cooking with CJ forever, all right? All right, guys. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.